Third one, write a Python program to count the number of strings from a given list of strings. That means the string length must be true and or more and first and last characters are the same. Okay, the string length must be two or more and the first and last characters are same. That means like this. So suppose if you entered from the keyboard this sample list A B C X Y Z A B 1 okay. So the first letter and the last letter from the string must be same. Okay. How many are there like that? We have to count it, whether it's string or this number. Okay. So we will see now. Suppose enter string from the keyboard. X is equal to input enter a list. Okay. Observe here. So we want to enter a list from the keyboard, but by default Python take a type as string. Okay. Whatever you enter from the keyboard, the Python default takes a type as string. Okay. Suppose if you enter list here, suppose 1 comma 2 comma 3. Okay. So suppose if you want to know which type it is, just use type function here. Type of x here. Just okay. Just use which type is this. If you want to know which type you are entering, so enter list here. 1 comma 2 comma 3. Okay. By default Python takes a string here. See observe here. String here. Class string. Okay. Class string here. Okay. But I want this type as this type, okay, not the string type. So what you will do? So there is a function called evolve function. It converts the type, okay, it converts the string into list type or any other evolve, okay. Evolve function convert this string into list type here, okay. Suppose if you write in list format, it convert into list type. If you write in dictionary format, it will convert to the dictionary, evaluate, okay, it evaluate, okay? And if we write in set like flower brackets, within flower brackets as input, it will convert into set, okay? So just observe here, just enter list now, enter a list here, 1 comma 2 comma 3, observe here, list here, class here, okay? Before it is string, now list here, okay? So if you are entering a list as input from the keyboard, so make sure you convert this into eval function, okay? It's simple, okay, to convert into string into a list, okay. Suppose if you want to convert it, int, you are writing to there, okay. Evaluate function, remember evaluate is very important. So now, so the question is, so we want to convert this list, no. So suppose assume we are entering this sample list from the keyboard, okay. Just assume it. You can enter any list, just assume just we are entering this one, okay. Just assume it, okay. Just assume we are entering this one. So make sure the first letter and the last letter in a string, okay, must be same, okay. Suppose this first letter and last letter must be same. So we have to count how many are there like that, okay. So just use for loop here for word in x, okay, for word in x. So if you want to iterate through this list elements, you have to use this for word is iterable word, and next is this one, okay. So that each loop iterates to this, and each element iterates, okay. So this word it is iterable variable word is a, so word in x. Uh, so you want condition, no? Condition should be, if you have a condition here, so first length should be greater than 2, okay. If length of word, okay, greater than 1 means it must be 2 or more, okay. And word of 0, that means first letter in the string, okay. If you want to last letter from the string, you have to use word of -1, okay. This array slicing property, okay. You remember array slice, but array slicing method, this is the condition, okay. If word greater than 1 and word of 0 is equal to word of -1, word of 0 means first letter in the string and word of -1 last letter in the string is true, then count, okay. Take count equal to 0 initially. You should take count equal to 0. count equal to 0, count variable. Now increment that count, okay? If it is this condition, both conditions are true, just increment the count here. Count is equal to count plus 1, okay? And print count here, simple. Print number of the pattern, okay? The first written pattern, okay? Remember that number of the pattern is simple, comma, count here, okay? Observe here, execute and just enter list here. So I am entering the same list there, okay? ABC, comma, XYZ, comma, ABA, comma, 1, 2, 2, 1, okay? How many are there? It returns to it must be 10, okay? See, number of values show here because these two matches here. The first letter means in string the first letter and the last letter should be must be same, no? The condition, okay? So this is the condition. Word of 0 gives the first letter of the string and word of minus 0 gives the last letter, okay? Minus 1 starts from the last string, okay? Last character of the string, okay? So this condition must be true, and forwarded means forward is iterable. So it returns to each element in a X list, okay? Forwarded next means each element will be iterable and stored in this variable, okay? It loops, okay? That's it.